10 years ago, we had the vision of becoming a highly efficient company. We couldn't have imagined that the opportunities offered to us nowadays by digitalization would ever become a reality. Rosendahl Nextrom has 3 business divisions. We provide services for 3 industries. These are the glass fiber industry, the cable and wire industry, and the battery industry. The technology in our sectors is generally at a very high level. In other words, the solutions related to product manufacture are already highly saturated and extremely advanced. And the focus is always on managing fast product life cycles, meeting higher qualitative and quantitative requirements, and keeping pace with competitors' products from low-wage countries. In addition, there's the challenge of simply always finding better solutions. We use our skills to combine mechatronic approaches with physics and chemistry in order to generate a better, more efficient manufacturing solution. In the past, we used traditional engineering methods as part of this process, and therefore always reached a limit. Digital capture and simulation make it possible for us to go beyond the limits reached by traditional engineering methods and to create better solutions faster and more cost-effectively. Our digital twin is displayed to a considerable extent in Siemens products. This starts with Siemens NX, 3D construction, so that Teamcenter, which links key data elements together, remains interconnected. We continue to use this in Mechatronic Concept Designer, where we move on to the simulation of the mechanical processes. This is also integrated with automation technology via TIA portal. We use plant simulation. As a result, our experts, clients, and other suppliers within the infrastructure can't even begin to imagine how these millions of components and their modes of action interact in the workings of a factory. We use 3D factory tours to demonstrate the factory concept to clients. A whole new kind of interdisciplinary collaboration takes place across various areas of expertise. The simulation makes it easier to perceive and understand a specific task as a whole, and this support helps our team to generate unique solutions.
Siemens NX is basically a very comprehensive and powerful tool. Its best feature is the connection with the Teamcenter, which means that downstream departments can also work well with it. We have, of course, machines that operate incredibly fast. In order to increase their operating speeds, it isn't only mechanical alterations that are required, but also technical automation adaptations. The Mechatronics Concept Designer has enabled us to adapt existing processes on our machines. In effect, you save between 4 and 6 weeks' work if you simulate it in advance using the Mechatronics Concept Designer. As a result, we are always one step ahead of the competition.
In the traditional development process, we used to design a product according to the concept, then build a prototype, learn from that, and use our interactive learnings to build further prototypes until we were ready for mass production. Digitalization and simulation make it possible to leapfrog various stages of development. We have been able to produce a completely new generation of products within 12 months, where in the past we would have needed a lead time of 18 months or 2 years. And that after 50 years of an industry believing the process had been optimized using traditional methods.